For decades, BMW has been synonymous with one phrase, the ultimate driving machine, but what does that actually mean? Is it about raw horsepower? Is it about precision engineering? Or is it about that intangible feeling of connection between car and driver? We're about to find out. We're diving deep into the heart of BMW's most iconic creations. We'll analyze the contenders, scrutinize their strengths, and ultimately crown the ultimate champion. Buckle up, petrolheads, this is going to be a wild ride. Before we meet our contenders, let's define the battlefield. The racetrack is not just a place, it's a proving ground where engineering meets passion, where every curve and straightaway tests the mettle of both machine and driver. What makes a BMW great? Is it the iconic kidney grille, the unmistakable roundel, or the legacy of innovation that spans over a century? First and foremost, it's about performance. These cars are bred on the Autobahn and honed on the Nürburgring. The Autobahn, with its unrestricted stretches, allows these machines to unleash their full potential, while the Nürburgring, known as the Green Hell, refines their agility and endurance. They crave corners and devour straights with equal gusto. Whether it's a hairpin turn on a mountain road or a sweeping bend on a racetrack, BMWs are engineered to handle it all with precision and poise. But it's not just about brute force. BMWs are about finesse, about a delicate balance of power and handling that makes you feel like you're wearing the car, not just driving it. The steering is responsive, the suspension is tuned to perfection, and the brakes are razor sharp, giving you complete control over every maneuver. Then there's the luxury. From the supple leather seats to the cutting-edge technology, BMWs envelop you in comfort and refinement. The interiors are meticulously crafted, with every detail designed to enhance your driving experience. The seats are not just comfortable, they are supportive, keeping you in place during spirited driving. But it's not ostentatious or overstated. It's about understated elegance, about quality that whispers rather than shouts. The ambient lighting sets the mood, the subtle branding reminds you of the heritage, and the wood trim adds a touch of sophistication. And finally, there's the joy, the sheer, unadulterated joy of driving. It's that feeling of freedom as you cruise along a coastal road, the thrill of acceleration as you merge onto a highway, and the satisfaction of a perfectly executed corner on a countryside drive. That feeling of being at one with the machine, of carving through a corner with surgical precision, the engine roaring its approval. It's a symphony of mechanical excellence and human skill, a dance of power and control. That's the essence of a BMW. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a journey, a testament to what happens when performance, luxury, and joy come together in perfect harmony. Let's start with a legend, the car that put BMW M on the map, the E30 M3. This car is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of an era, a testament to BMW's engineering prowess and racing heritage. The E30 M3 is a car that has captured the hearts of enthusiasts and racers alike, and for good reason. Born from motorsport, this homologation special was a wolf in sheep's clothing. It was designed to dominate the racetrack, and it did just that, winning countless races and championships. The E30 M3 was built to meet the stringent requirements of Group A racing, which meant it had to be both a capable road car and a formidable race car. Underneath its boxy, unassuming exterior lurked a high-revving four-cylinder engine and a chassis that could dance through corners like a ballerina. The engine, known as the S14, was a marvel of engineering, producing impressive power and a distinctive sound that enthusiasts still rave about today. The chassis was equally impressive, offering a perfect balance of agility and stability. The E30 M3 wasn't about outright speed, it was about the driving experience, the connection between the driver and the machine. It was about the thrill of taking a corner perfectly, the satisfaction of feeling the car respond to your every input. It was about communication, about feeling every nuance of the road through the steering wheel and pedals. The E30 M3 was a car that spoke to you, that made you feel like you were part of the driving experience, not just a passenger. It was a car that rewarded skilled drivers, a pure driving experience that few cars have been able to replicate. The E30 M3 was not just about going fast, it was about going fast with precision and control. It was a car that demanded respect and rewarded those who could master it. It's no wonder the E30 M3 has achieved legendary status. Its combination of performance, handling and sheer driving pleasure has made it a favorite among car enthusiasts and collectors. The E30 M3 is a car that has stood the test of time, a true icon in the automotive world. It's a timeless classic, a reminder that true driving pleasure comes from purity and balance, not just horsepower. The E30 M3 is a car that embodies the essence of what it means to drive. A car that will continue to be celebrated for generations to come. Whether on the racetrack or the open road, the E30 M3 is a car that delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Section 4, the Autobahn Bruiser BMW M5 E39. Next up, we have the E39 M5, a car that redefined what a sports sedan could be. Introduced in 1998, the E39 M5 was a game-changer in the automotive world. It combined the practicality of a sedan with the heart and soul of a sports car, creating a unique blend that was hard to match. Powered by a glorious, naturally aspirated V8, the E39 M5 delivered blistering performance. Its 4.9-litre engine produced 394 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds. This kind of power was unheard of in a sedan at the time, but unlike its rivals, it never sacrificed comfort or practicality. The interior was a masterclass in luxury, featuring high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a host of advanced features. It was a car that you could drive to a business meeting in the morning and take to the track in the afternoon. It was a true wolf in wolf's clothing, a luxurious executive express that could humble supercars when the mood struck. The E39 M5 was not just about raw power, it was about delivering that power in a refined and sophisticated manner. The E39 M5 was all about effortless power, about that intoxicating V8 soundtrack that sent shivers down your spine. The engine's roar was both a symphony and a statement, a reminder that you were driving something truly special, but it was also about subtlety and sophistication. The E39 M5 didn't need flashy designs or loud colors to make its presence known. Its understated elegance spoke volumes, making it a favorite among those who appreciated performance wrapped in a discreet package. It wasn't a car that shouted about its performance, it let its actions do the talking. Whether on a track or a scenic route, the E39 M5 delivered an exhilarating driving experience that few could match. Its balanced chassis, precise steering and powerful brakes made it a joy to drive in any condition. The E39 M5 remains a high watermark for BMW, a car that perfectly balanced performance, luxury and practicality. Even today it is revered by enthusiasts and collectors alike, a testament to its enduring appeal and timeless design. The E39 M5 is not just a car, it's a legend, a symbol of what BMW can achieve when it sets out to create the ultimate driving machine. Section 5, the future redefined BMW i8. Now let's fast forward to the future with the BMW i8. With its futuristic styling and hybrid powertrain, the i8 was a bold statement from BMW. It showed that performance and sustainability could coexist, that driving pleasure didn't have to come at the expense of the planet. The i8's carbon fiber construction and advanced hybrid system made it a technological tour de force. It wasn't just about being green, it was about being exciting, about pushing the boundaries of what a hybrid sports car could be. The i8 might not have been perfect, but it was a significant step forward, a glimpse into the future of performance motoring. Section 6, the race-bred legend BMW M3 GTR. For a brief shining moment, the BMW M3 GTR was the car to beat. Built to conquer the American Le Mans series, the M3 GTR was a homologation special like no other. With its fire-breathing V8 engine and aggressive aerodynamics, it dominated the competition. The M3 GTR was a race car disguised as a road car. It was raw, visceral, and incredibly loud. Its limited production run only added to its mystique, making it one of the most sought-after BMWs ever produced. The M3 GTR is a testament to BMW's racing pedigree, a reminder that when it comes to performance, they mean business. Section 7. Timeless elegance BMW 507 Roadster. Let's step back in time to the golden age of motoring with the BMW 507 Roadster. This hand-built masterpiece was a symphony of curves and chrome, a car that oozed elegance and sophistication. With its powerful V8 engine and graceful lines, the 507 Roadster was a true icon of its era. The 507 Roadster wasn't about performance numbers or lap times, it was about style, about making a statement. It was a car for cruising along the French Riviera, the wind in your hair, the world a distant blur. The 507 Roadster remains one of the most beautiful cars ever made, a testament to BMW's design prowess.